This is the new Renault 4 that's on display over here at Goodwood Festival of Spain. It's our first ever look at this car, so we're going to be really quick and take a look at this car as well. My name is Achilles. You guys have tuned into Drive Media Review. Starting off with the design, you'll see it looks very different, much like the Renault 5. You see the main headlight area, it's got circular headlights with the enclosed grille. It's got the Renault logo over there. Very nicely detailed bumper as well with a lot of black cladding. And you see the top, it has vents on the bonnet, which are really interesting. Overall, it's a very impressive looking product. And if you see the wheels, you got dual tone finish wheels. They look great along with body cladding over there. That's your charging door where you open the door to charge the vehicle. I'll take a step back and I'll show you. Just managed to shut the door. If you see, it looks like a compact crossover more than a hatchback. Don't really know what it is. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. Really nice looking product as well. You got pull-out door handles with functional roof rails as well. Looks very different, kind of mini vibe if you would say. It says Renault over there. You got 4 written there in a very interesting manner, and you got this really nice looking tail lights as well. What's also interesting, you got a blackout roof with a shark fin antenna and a spoiler over there, and this interesting looking bumper. Renault 4 is coming to a showroom near you really soon, but meanwhile, what do you think about this car? Let me know in the comment section below. Interior is much like the Renault 5. You see the touchscreen and the instrument cluster both in one over there. You got manual AC controls, very interesting looking center console area as well. You got armrest in between with storage, of course, very well padded comfy seats as well, and the Renault low steering as well. Looks really great. Overall, really impressive looking interior. So that's another peek at the dashboard. You have the steering with loads of controls, of course, and you have your touchscreen and instrumentation, famous like the Renault 5. That's your aircon controls. You got wireless charging down here, a bit of storage, and the lovely materials again. A lot carried from the Renault 5, but makes this car look really nice. We come up to the back. You can see it's a very spacious boot, of course, and you can fold down the seats. We didn't know at the time of filming was powering the car, so we are going to the next section right away. And along with that, we are done with the first look video of the Renault 4. Let me know what you think about the car in the comment section below. It's not a very quick look, it's not a very detailed look that we have had. Quite a quick look as Goodwood Festival of Spain is really busy. But remember to let me know what you think about the car in the comment section below. Hit like if you like this video, share this video, friends, family, like my dear, just subscribe to Drive Media Reviews as always. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.